Thursday, and for this week, this is my second time to make a vlog on my daily ride. So today's episode, guys, we are going to talk about my gear is pinakamurang gear na pwede mong mabili. The gloves that I'm using now is a Scoyco gloves. Also, I have a jacket or a jersey jacket from Yamaha. Meron din akong elbow tsaka knee pad, and also I do have my touring boots. It's also from Scoyco, and also the helmet that I'm using is a Spyder Excelerate 2.0, and I've been using this helmet for 6 years. Hindi pa ako bumili ng bagong helmet because nagagamit ko pa naman siya. And also, plano ko naman dito sa helmet ko, bibili ako ng bagong foam from Spyder. Ngayon medyo mura na yung foam ng Excelerate 2.0, mga around 700 to 750, pero isang buwan bago mo makuha yung item. So that's not bad kasi at least, diba, meron kang pangpalit ng foam ng helmet, and hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng buong helmet. Mapapagastos ka na naman ng malaki. So kahit 750 yung foam, at least set na siya, diba? Parang bago na rin yung helmet mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng magandang helmet, maganda yung design ng helmet, pero yung quality naman, diba, hindi rin maganda yung quality. So ba't bibili ka nung mga helmet na ang ganda mo nga tignan, pero pag na-aksidente ka naman, wasak naman yung mukha mo, diba? So it's better to use those helmets na alam mong magiging safety ka, or magiging safe syempre yung ulo mo. Also syempre pang matagalang gamit. Merong ibang helmet ngayon na maganda, maporma, pero after a few years na ginagamit mo na, yung lens or yung visor ng helmet is parang nag-fade or something, nag-yellowish, kaya medyo blurry na yung yung visor, and mahihirapan ka pang bumili ng spare na visor because wala talagang visor na binibenta for those not a branded helmet. So the visor that I'm using on my helmet, yun pa rin yung visor na kasama nitong helmet nung binili ko. Also, hindi ko pa siya napalitan, but I do something about my visor. Pinalagyan ko siya ng tint. Okay naman yung viewing ng visor. Hindi naman siya masyadong madilim kasi nga original naman yung visor. So as you can see, guys, galing ako sa motor pool of Tagum because I pay for the waste disposal. So ang dami ko ng gamit kaya tatapon ko na joke lang. I pay for the waste disposal para sa company, and right now I'm going to the city hall to pay it. So yun nga, guys, diba? About, balik tayo sa gears. So hindi mo kailangang bumili ng mga mapopormang gears kung hindi naman ganda yung quality, kasi ikaw rin yung magsasuffer, diba? Ikaw naman yung gagamit nun, tapos yung binili mo, oo, maporma, pero walang quality. Hindi garantisado yung safety mo kung yung mga low quality of gears yung binibili mo, diba? So if you want to have some of the good quality gears para sa mga rides or mga travel nyo, guys, if you are from Tagum, check out GE Racing Gear in front of Rian Marketing at Rizal Street, Tagum City. So guys, dito ko na lang tapusin yung episode na to. So thank you guys for watching, I'll see you in the next one, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.